Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Gcash as a payment method in Mobile Legends. First, make sure you have a verified Gcash account with a balance. You should also have an updated Mobile Legends app on your device. Then, make sure your Google Play Store or App Store account is signed in. Have a stable internet connection for purchases. Now open Mobile Legends and go to the Diamonds section. Here, select the amount of diamonds you want to buy. When redirected to Google Play on Android or the App Store on iOS, choose Payment Methods. Next, select Add Gcash, log in and authorize the account. After that, make sure your Gcash wallet has enough funds before purchasing. Some special bundles may not support Gcash payments directly. Refunds depend on Google Play or App Store policies, not Mobile Legends. Finally, secure both your game account and Gcash with strong passwords. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.